Now, good morning, students. We have another topic of this chapter, that is a scenario analysis, calculating a subtotal. So, subtotal is what? Subtotal is used when you have a groups, when you have a huge amount of data, and that you have to analyze, and then it is required that to according to the group wise, you have to do the total. Now see, as you will be able to see that I have created a one worksheet for you in which the zone, the product and sales are given. So I have made three zones here, A zone, then B zone, and then C zone. And in the A zone we have P1 to P7 is there, that is the different products, and then P1, P2, P3, P4. So, and after that what I have done, I have just selected all the data and then sort it according to the zone wise, correct? So after sorting this zone, all A has come to one side, B and then C, so that we have to find out a total. Now total is, subtotal is another feature of a data tab. We will see that it is a data tab, and inside this data tab you will have a option that is in outline group, that is known as subtotal. So if we will move this mouse pointer onto it, you will see that total several rows of related data together by automatically inserting subtotals and totals for the selected cells. Now you find out that you will find out that how it will help you in this scenario analysis. Now as you have seen that this is our data and we have to do the subtotal. So when we choose a subtotal, dialog box appear to us, and it is asking for at each change in zone. Means when you want a change in zone, then you have to add yes. Okay. So after zone is changed, you want to change the zone. That means you want what? Sum of all the sales. So here I have subtotal of sales. Clear? So that I have done, and then clicking on OK button. After pressing OK button, you will come back to this place where our data was, and you will be able to see that zone A total, that is 42,900, then B total is 40,900, then C total is 45,800, correct? And lastly it has shown a grand total, that is all these zones totals, 42,900, 40,900 and 45,800. So 1,29,600 is the grand total. So this is the use of subtotal. Okay, now see that in it we have two options. One is show details and another is hide details. Now see, when we click on the hide detail option, so if I am clicking on hide details, that means you will see only the data that is calculated by the computer. And if I will click on show details, then it will show you the data of, suppose, C. If I am clicking on it, that is the plus sign, you will be able to see the total of B. And if you want to see all the data, then you have to click on A. Clear? So if you will see the minus sign, that means you want to hide it. If you want to click on the minus sign, it will hide your detail. But if you will you want to appear that details, then you have to click on plus sign. And here also you will see the minus sign, that is for hiding all the details. Only the grand total will show. Okay, so that is the use of your subtotal, and you can easily take a printout of it, and for that you have not put any of the formula. Automatically the computer is calculating your data and on the basis of your zone. But if suppose you want the subtotal on the basis of products, suppose P1 sale, here also we have P1 sale, then again P1 sale. So if you want to get the subtotal for this product wise, then how you can do it? Now I'm again telling to you, this is your data. So what I'm doing, clear outline. So first of all, it will clear the outline and ungroup. Now what I will do, I have just cleared the outline, and when I have clicked on it, on the subtotal, I have clicked on remove all. So remove all will remove all the subtotal that we have calculated based on the zone. Clear? So after that, what we will do, I am just selecting whole data again. Now because we have it will work on the group. So now we have to sort our data. That first of all we have to sort our data, and that will not be based on your zone. It will be based on product, because now we have to calculate the data according to the product. Okay. Now click on OK button. You will see that the product is showing to you the P1, 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 P2, 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 and all these products has come accordingly. That is all sorted. Now the zone is different. A, B, C, then A, B, C, then A, B, C is there. Okay. Now what we can do, we can again go into the subtotals, choosing the subtotal, and on the subtotal here we will not choose zone, we will choose product. After each change in product, we will calculate the sale. Okay. So sale is already selected, and clicking on OK button. Now see, when we have done this type of total, you will be able to see that it is P1 total, P2 total, P3 total, P4, P5 and P6. And again we have P7 also, but P7 is only for A and B, not for C. So it has only added P7 of A, P7 of B. Now the grand total is showing to you accordingly. Correct? So this is a use of a subtotal option of data, and that is a very useful option for calculating the subtotals. That is based on the groups and ungrouping. Thank you, students.